In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve an incorrect phrase in English on Grammarly in the easiest way possible. If Grammarly highlights a phrase and offers a correction, you can quickly fix it without second guessing yourself. And if Grammarly gives you a suggestion that doesn't look right, I'll also show you how to dismiss it and how to undo any accidental change. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Grammarly and look for the phrase that Grammarly has highlighted. You'll usually see words or sentences marked with a suggestion, and that means Grammarly thinks something could be improved. To apply the correction, simply hover over the highlighted words and click the suggested correction. Grammarly will instantly replace the phrase for you, and that can save you a lot of time when you're editing your writing. This is especially useful when you want to fix grammar, spelling, or word choice in just one click. Now, sometimes Grammarly does not get it right. If Grammarly gives you a bad suggestion and you know your English is already correct, don't worry, you do not have to accept every recommendation. Instead, just dismiss the suggestion. You can click dismiss, or if you see the trash icon on the suggestion card, click that to remove it. This tells Grammarly to ignore that correction so your original text stays the way you want it. That's a really useful trick when Grammarly is overcorrecting or changing a phrase that is already perfectly fine. And if you accidentally click the wrong suggestion, there's an easy way to fix that too. Just press Ctrl Z on your keyboard to undo the change instantly. This is one of the fastest ways to revert an edit and go back to your previous wording. So remember, when Grammarly highlights an incorrect phrase, you can either accept the suggested correction, dismiss the suggestion if it's wrong, or undo the change with Ctrl Z if you clicked the wrong one by mistake. That gives you full control over your writing and helps you work faster without losing confidence in your text. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to solve incorrect phrases in English on Grammarly more easily. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.